I go outside trying to cut my car on, man. My junk went start. Uh-oh. It just still ain't starting.
I got the plug in the city.
No way, Jose.
What's going on, dude? It's your boy Scatpack Q, man. And I'm back with another video. Hold on, look. I said I'm back with another video. Hey, look, check this out, man. I got my boy Green. I got my boy Green here, man. Look, man. I ain't had my wrap for a good 24 hours, man. I'm trying to go to work. I go outside trying to cut my car on, man. My junk went start. Uh-oh. It just still ain't starting. It ain't doing that.
It ain't turning up.
Man, we trying our hardest to get this going, man. Lights, man. I got so much stuff.
Yeah, that's in your battery, dog.
For real? The front one or the back one? This one?
Turn all that shit off?
Yeah.
Use the fuck gas.
Battery shit, that shit ain't doing that, bro.
You want this on?
Hmm?
You want this on?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you got hella shit.
That's what I'm saying, man. That shit is just connected some of them to the back.
Still got your shit.
We got two damn batteries.
You wasn't doing this shit before, huh?
Nah.
Huh?
Hold on. Uh-oh, we got it to work. Yes, sir!
You got to turn your lights and shit off. That little clicking noise you were hearing, that was your battery died. So you got to turn these shits off.
They keep cutting on by itself, man.
You got to undo it.
From that thing, it just undo it.
Not right now, nigga. This ain't gonna blow. Not right now, nigga. You'll turn them on. They turn on every time you start the car up.
Yeah.
Just turn them off. Turn them off until we get where we going.
I bet
And
that.
then they turn on. We'll turn them back off before we go.
We got this junk to work, man. Y'all, oh yeah. Man, appreciate you.
I ain't going back to work after lunch. But
Alright.
I already told them. I see y'all niggas after lunch.
Oh yeah, we might as well. My boy right here came in the clutch.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, man.
Come on, man.
Hey, he get his car wrapped
Saturday.
Yeah, so you already know I'm gonna be one when he pick it up. But yeah, man, we had to get this
It's
up.
awesome right now.
Oh, yeah. YouTube content coming in, man. This your boy Scatpack Q, man. We got the car to start back up, man. I'm gonna have to get a new battery, man. It's all good, bro. I'm about to go try to get these done, though. Yeah. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit me with that like and subscribe to the boy right now. You feel me? Until next time, I'm out.